What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on how to set up to the hood cash drop. This time we have one more thing, which is PC Executor, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up Mumu from the start. Basically download Mumu, like set it up from start to start, and then how to do Ugphone as well by purchasing a Ugphone and then showing you how to set that up as well, step by step. So today's gonna be an interesting video because I mostly give you the links in the description, but this time I made something way easier for me and for everybody to use, which is a little just the cache and links. Basically, you just come here, you join the server, which will be basically a link in the description. This will have the bypassers for you to bypass codecs and just codecs for the most part. This will have Mumu player, which will have the download page, the executors, and MT manager. This will have Ugphone, which will have the executor, cloner, MT manager, and other things you should do. Plus, with an additional PC executor right here. With this video, we'll be using AWP, which good at recommended PC executor because it doesn't mess your game up. Like, for example, I have it right here. This is my AWP. My computer's running it smoothly without lag, except for all of the hood cache in the back. But yeah, with this, you're gonna need Roblox account manager and a little bit of reminders as well. Like, do not update Roblox account manager. Plus, if you guys need help or anything, I don't know what scripts to buy, these are the most recommended scripts right here, because this is the GUI and also it has an alt control, while this one is for farming plus an alt control, which if you see right here, I'm using it. But yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so I have my Mumu multi-instance 12 open. So let's get a little bit more context before we start using Mumu. Mumu is basically an Android 12 system, which is like replicating an Android phone. And this is mainly used by a lot of the hood cache sellers because it's easier plus faster, I suppose, when it comes to the hood cache selling. But the thing is, what these the hood cache sellers do is buy VPSs. For example, here are some pictures showing, these aren't mine, but these are other people who use the VPS to use Mumu. And for the most part, Mumu does take a big chunk out of your PC resource because mostly it's high RAM. Here's a picture, and basically it takes a lot of resource to run a few. But that's the thing though, sometimes you have it on the wrong setting or you just need to optimize it. But to also explain what a VPS is a virtual machine, basically a PC but more powerful component. And how you could obtain a VPS is by either going on VPS servers, looking at their prices, which some are good in my opinion. I've tried them. It's really easy, simple to use, and mostly it allows you to run a lot more moves. Basically imagine 30 instances right here and you're just running them all in the background while that computer is at what, 90 CPU, memory is at what, low as hell. Basically it's meant to run Mumu and other things as well, but mostly people use it for Mumu. And the regular price range of this is for a good VPS is $100 to something more dollars, which is expensive. Which, man, I paid for it and it was really worth it. I used it really well, but then at some point I just started using something else, so I just gave it to my dropper and he used it while he was happy for it. And then yeah, but for now, Mumu, VPS, and right now I'm not using a VPS. I'm using my own computer because VPS are expensive, man. But anyways, alright, so to set up Mumu, you need to make Android 12 emulator. Alright, right here. And once it's made, you go to the settings and you're gonna have to change all this. Basically, low, you can go custom, which my preference is 1, and then 4.5 mostly. I don't know. That's what I use. Like less resource usage, tablet mode, whatever. Max frame rate 60. Windows auto rotate. Yeah, you just gotta change it. Where is there's another thing in here. Audio. Closed system audio, because you don't want to hear like 30 Mumus just like hearing them all drop the hood catch at the same time. Probably be satisfying, but for the most part, no. Display frame rate so you can see how much frames it's running. And let's see what other setting there is. I think it's in disk. Not that the modifications. Alright. I don't know if it's either direct X mode, efficiency mode provides support for highest graphics quality, high performance. We'll just change that regularly. Less piece. Alright, so I think these are the right settings for the most part. So we're gonna save settings, and now we're just gonna open it up. Alright, since Mumu's yeah, Mumu uses my PC, but for the most part it's really well. So when this go back up. So right here I'm gonna just go to Mumu player. I already downloaded it right here. I forgot to show you guys how to download it, but you just come here, you just download for Mumu player for Windows and Mac, and it just downloads, and you just open that up and just run it all. So now what we're gonna use with Mumu, since it's already open here, I think this is an updated version, by the way. So we have codecs right here. Let's open that, and then we have MT manager. Oh, that went to my laptop. Oh, that's nice. Anyways, I just opened 2 tabs on accident. So now, since we both have those, what we're gonna want to do is just download them. And they should look like an APK or something. Just download them. Oh, this might detect it as a... Oh, look, Amazon. Yeah, see, it detects it as a virus. I don't know why it detects that as a virus, which is really dumb. Oh, just turn that off. Don't mind that. Turn that on. Yes, I don't care. So now we just re-download again because it's detected as a virus. Now you just wait for these 2 to download, and there's an easier way. You could like... Oh, why is it on 1 FPS? That's pretty bad. But alright, let's wait for these to download. Alright, MT manager is done. We're just waiting for codecs. So there's an easier way to like put these in there. Basically, you just put this like to the side right here, and then we'll have this. So what we could do is you go hold this and drag it, and look, it'll install it, which is way easier than pressing this button and like APK installation. I could just drag it. All right, so now since we have both of those downloaded, we just run Roblox. Yes, don't really mind. Praying that none of my family members come in the room, because I'll be really scared. Alright, you just want to allow it. With this, I'm gonna use an underage account because I don't have any other account. And why? Oh, that's interesting. But anyways, we're gonna be running this. It runs a little slow because it's on 3 FPS, and I don't know how much of my PC it's using. Oh, well, that's okay. Yeah, we're fine. Yeah, I just gotta wait for it to load. Sometimes it may crash, sometimes it may not, which is very interesting. So let's do quick sign in. Oh, what happened? Oh, that was great. Just be like, oh. It's on 1 FPS, which is really bad for some reason. No, there you go. Quick sign in. So this is a quick sign in. It won't work after this, so don't try it, bastards. Anyways, so I'm gonna quick sign into one of my accounts, which is non-usable no more for some reason, because I don't know who changed the date of it. And I'm hoping it signs in. There you go. It signed in. This is an old account. Don't mind the account. So now what we're gonna want to do, first off, do not rush it, go straight to the hood and do all that. First, calm down, chill out, come here and search up something called base plate. Base plate. What base plate is just a literal base plate. Literally, it is just a little base plate right there. So we're gonna come unavailable. Why is the calendar age? It's fine. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna go to a rip-off. I'm literally just gonna go to a rip-off. I don't really care enough for this account. I want this account to get terminated. But anyways, we just go to just a base plate, not this one. A literal base plate is better. I don't know why, because it's everybody uses it for some reason. But we're gonna be in here. What the hell? So this is gonna pop up. So what we're gonna do is copy link, come to the little Discord server, come to bypassers, go to the bypass. You're gonna have to like get ball access by right here by pressing this or something. So you come to codecs, you do /codecs, and you put the link in. What this will do, it will just whitelist you. It will automatically whitelist you without you having to go through the steps. Why is this a white face? So hoping this works, because sometimes it doesn't. I don't mind all these. So let's see. Oh. Takes a while. I don't know why it takes a while. Hate it. Right here. It whitelisted it. Easy, simple, you know. So now what you want to do is come here. You can like type anything out, any script. I don't have any script to show because I don't want to use my key. So we're just gonna type some random gibberish in, which is like, yeah, I don't know any code. Let me just type some gibberish in. So we're gonna do that. You're gonna save it. This is how you auto execute on the GUI, by the way. I'll show how to auto execute on MT Manager. So you name it like auto farm or all control, whatever. You save the script. So now you come to this little paper, come to save scripts and auto execute. Keep in mind, you always have to auto execute when you're going to the hood, because the hood has up their anti-cheat and they will ban you, which is really dumb. And I don't know why his face is like this, but for the most part, you have it all set up. So all right, so now well, we can't really go to the hood to show how this works, but yeah, you just auto it. That's how you do it. Now let me show you how to do it through my finger. Now let's turn auto execute off and delete this. So now let me show you how to auto execute through MT Manager. So we're gonna come to MT Manager. We're gonna read and agree. Yeah, you gotta press OK because it's going through all the files you have. So now we're gonna look for something. You don't have to sign in. We're gonna have to look for something called codecs. And basically you have to go to the auto execute folder, and right here you just add a file name. You can name it whatever. Just put auto. You press on it, text editor, and then you put your script in here. Then once you put your script in here, you press the save button. Come here, go back right here. But whenever you want to switch it, all you have to do is literally do this. You do that. Because you have to go back and minimize it, and then you have to delete this. Because having both of those there, they'll both auto execute and probably mess up your farming or dropping. And you're probably gonna get a lot of notifications from the ATM farm. But now that has auto execute, now you just go back to Roblox, do the same steps, and go straight to the hood. Just please get your key in literal base plate, because you will get banned if you don't, which is sad and dumb. All right, now to clone these instances. That's so hard. I don't know. I'm bad at words. So now what we're gonna want to do is press this, copy. You could, I don't know how many alts you have. I don't know how many your computer can run. I'm just put 10 or whatever. This will make 10 copies of the same Mumu that you had right here, that you basically set up, whitelisted, and maybe had all like auto farm or whatever. So now we're just waiting for all these to clone, and once these are all cloned, which is really fun. I think my PC is gonna die once I use this. But it's fine. Well, it's copying still. Why is it just 3 already gone? I mean, already done. Oh, there. It's already going. Yay! So now we can run these, whatever. My PC might kill itself. So if I start lagging, not my fault. I could run 4, I think. I'm pretty sure I could run 4. Or a little more. I don't know. I don't want to test that. I need to make videos. For the most part, I think this will start to... Oh, my CPU, my memory is fine. This will start to like push my computer to not much of its limit, but mostly to a point where it could run all these without problem. And basically, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just multiply, just cause. Basically, you just gotta wait for all these to load. It takes a while. Well, it takes a while for me because my PC's ass. So, if you're judging, screw you. Oh yeah. But now we're just gonna wait for all these to load. And if you're running this on your computer, good luck. If you're running this on VPS, press this button and it'll arrange them all in a neatly way, which will be really useful. It's this button, so don't forget that. So you could like have them minimize and look at all of them simultaneously. Oh, it just ran one. So yeah, you could do that, and then all you have to do for this is just go into all the Robloxes. Like, this is a copy. It's gonna have the same account which I basically used, but all you gotta do is just go on it, log out, log into your new account, and boom, you'll be fine. Just keep in mind, always auto execute, never regular execute or press the text editor box. That will ban you instantly, which is not funny. And yeah, it's not fun because I got like 30 accounts banned on the hood for a month, which isn't fun. So I hate it. So now once these are all loaded, just log into all the Robloxes, whatever, log out and all that. Oh, since my PC is dying, I'm not gonna do that to show, but you get what I mean, hopefully. Either way, closing all these now. Either way, now since you've seen how to set up, you probably already did these steps. Just please be careful with auto execute, because you might click something on accident, or you might mess up and try to find out what the source is, and you might click something on accident and still get banned. So keep in mind that. All right, now let's start going to the next setup. Is now let's see, the next setup will be, where is it Ugphone. All right, let's get into that now. Right, for more context of Ugphone is basically similar to a VPS. This is a cloud emulator. This one actually recreates an Android phone, unlike Mumu, which is just like that big ass blob. It looks like a tablet, which is funny. And basically, in like simple terms, replicates an actual Android phone. And basically, alright, it has different plans for you to use. So let me explain these plans one by one. UVIP, this is what it has. These are the specs of a phone. This will allow you to like clone 2 Roblox instances. 2. Keep in mind 2. Do not overclock it, because you'll fuck up everybody and they'll probably be pissed at you. GVIP could run like 5, I think. 5 or 5-ish, I don't know. These are specs. It doesn't matter which one you get. Get one in your region, by the way, because it lags a lot for me. Alright, SVIP, these are its specs. This runs 8 to 10-ish. Just, I think they lowered it to 10 because of a lot of people trying to go to 15 or more, whatever. These are the plans, all that. Oh, I can't. MVIP, I don't know how many MVIP can run. I haven't tested this fully. Oh, there's no more. They're all sold out. But this is what Ugphone is, and we're gonna purchase an SVIP for a day. Yay. It's like $4. Alright, it's fine. Alright, now let me pay this off camera because you guys ain't seeing what I'm paying for. Alright, I'm gonna pay this. Is my Cash App card locked? I think I locked it on accident. Whoops. Oh, whoops. I just locked it right now. I just unlocked it so quick though, so. Alright. I just paid for it. I'm gonna start crying in a few minutes. So now we just gotta wait. It's like load. Did I buy which one? Oh, I bought America. Thank God. Alright. So you could use this on web, basically on Chrome, or you could have the app, which is basically this. It's literally just this. Basically, and either way, both don't overclock or basically fuck up your computer. They don't use PC resource. This is like VPS wise, doesn't use PC resource. No, nothing. And yeah, it's pretty easy to use, you know, except for the part where you have to like set them all up in a specific angle like this one. Right, let me just show you an example of what I literally see every day. I'm gonna blur out my users because yeah, this is what I see every day. It gets difficult to a point because when you're trying to farm, you have to like scroll down and it's like so small the space, which is sad, but it's okay. I feel the pain. I feel the pain every day. Alright, now since we're in our SVIP, this is SVIP by the way, what we're going to want to do, first things, press the little Wi-Fi symbol, turn on root management, and this will optimize or whatever. I don't know what it does. It just helps a lot. Why is it taking long? Alright, turn the switch on, all applications, press sure, this will restart the phone. Let's see. And basically now what you got to do is just bring this down, go to settings, scroll down. I can't scroll down. By the way, this isn't a scroll wheel. Yeah, I literally had to click it just to do whatever. Advancements, developer options, scroll down. Wait, why am I scrolling down? I can type in SM. I can't type in SM. Don't judge. Alright. So smallest width. We want to change this. What this would do would change the like how the screen looks. Basically make it bigger. Scroll down more, you're gonna turn these on just in case. Close that now. Alright, now the downloads we're gonna need. So let's come back to good old server I made so you can get all downloads. So we're gonna have the codecs. Oh whoops. We're gonna have UG cloner and we're gonna have MT manager. So now what you're gonna have to do is literally go to the Google Chrome because you can't download these and drag them in, which is sad, you know. So now we're gonna get this, paste it in here. Let's make like 2 other tabs or whatever. UG cloner, do the same. And MT, that open. I put the UG cloner link. Oh well, it's fine. The good part about this is that if you go to Tool Center, you will find MT Manager. Oh, also let me install these as additions. So we're gonna download this. This will basically, if you get the error saying, oh, error has happened when you're trying to log into a Roblox account, you can turn that on and it'll just fix it up. And then you have to turn it off because if you keep it on, it's probably gonna fuck up your alts. MT Manager right here, by the way. Oh, I just closed that. Anyways, now let's go back to Chrome. I'm gonna fix that before posting this. I'm probably not gonna fix that before posting it. So now we download them. Download anyways. And now we do the download again. And download anyways. So now we just wait for these 2 to download, which is fine. But before we do that, let's set up MT Manager. This one you actually have to sign in. You can make an account or whatever, it doesn't really matter. So let me log in. I'm gonna blur this out. Oh my god, skip. Boom. I logged in. Yeah, I logged in. There you go. Alright, now this is the login. So now these 2 are downloaded. We're gonna have to come to downloads. You're gonna see the APK right there for codecs. You're gonna press function. clone APK, and you're gonna change this U to an A, and you press auto sign it. It's not gonna really sign it, but so now once this is done, never show this again. So now we're just gonna download this. I'm gonna press this button, but I don't want to. Close, and now we're gonna download UG. You don't have to download it from here. You can still download from there. Like just put this down and download it up. Pull this down and just download it from there too. Alright, so now since we got those two downloaded right here, let's go to MT Manager. Oh wait, whoops, place. So let's go with the UG cloner, and I forgot how to set this up, but don't worry, we'll learn the way. So we're gonna clone a batch. We're gonna clone like 8, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna clone like 8 of them, I guess. Press OK. And what we're gonna want to do is come down. I think it's display options, and it's gonna be floating app. Enable. Press OK. Alright, now we're gonna want to go to where is it? We're cloning options, I think. We're gonna want to activate these 3. Alrighty. Alright, I think that's all. So now what we're gonna do is press this button. Do not show this again. Press OK. And this will download. I'll speed it up for you guys so it doesn't take long. Alright, now since I just installed all of this, and I waited so long for this, now what we're gonna want to do is just open it and sign into an account. Problem with this is way more difficult than going on like anything else, because you can't use quick sign in, because I think this is a different region. Actually, let me see. Why is it loading so long? Yeah, you can move it around. You can minimize it by holding the sides, like literally. So you can set it up any way you want. So let's sign in, or we can either make an account. Really doesn't matter. No way, I can't make an account. All right, create an account. Yeah, we'll just put like this. Put the shit like on 1996. Lock in. Real name, the hood cache. I can't type. I don't know why. Yeah, when this happens, it pisses 800. Oh, that's a lot. Alright, we'll just refresh the screen. It's fine. Yeah, let me turn on my laptop, because my laptop's like geeking out right now. So the hood cache selling 30. Yes, mail. Continue. You guys keep this account. We don't care. Jamal is straight. So now, literally, oh, there you go. So now what we want to do is go to base play. Always go to base play when you're on either Mumu or Ugphone. Always go to base play to get your key. This one's going to be a little bit different, because since basically you're on a cloud phone and it's not like anything, sometimes you get free days, sometimes you don't. Like right here, example. So we're gonna want to copy this, go to, I can't see, we're gonna close it. So we're just gonna go to bypass city, because I'm not in the mood. Bypass city, you put the link in, bypass link. It's gonna open some, yeah, it's gonna open some things, which is like ads, I guess. Oh, whoops, I forgot to paste the link in. So we're gonna bypass some links. Just go back. Why is this? All right, just a moment. So we're gonna have to do the task for codecs, all that. No. So we're gonna have to read articles, which this is what it looks like, which is bad for the most part because I don't like this. So there's an easier solution, which is just doing Discord. Like, oh my god, I can't type again. So what happens when you hate life? I mean, what? So we're just gonna have to go on Discord again. Like just discord.com channels at me because yeah, I don't know. And we're gonna log in. I don't know any account that has something. So let me think. All right. You guys can't see this because it's mine. So yeah. I think that's the password. That is not the password. That's still not the password. I don't know what is the password. There you go. That was the password. Alright, so we're gonna go to Discord. We still have the link copied. I recommend making a server for yourself. This is mine, so you guys can't have it. And I don't even have the link no more, which is very irritating, but it's okay. Because we just go to the history. I think I'll still find it somewhere around here. Praying this works. That did not work. Alright, so we're gonna have to redo the step, go back to base plate, which I hate. Never doing this again. So let's go down, What the? Play together. What? Barely made this account. I play with nobody. So going back to base plate. Xeno. That's an executor. I don't like. I'm gonna copy the wireless link because I'm tired of this. Can I open? Thank you. So now we're gonna paste it in here, and what you're gonna want to do. Let me open this now. So what you're gonna want to do, come to Discord, go to the Discord server that you just linked it to. That's not the right one. Alright, you copy the text. You go back to the bypasser. Codex/codex link, and then you just put the codex link in. Simple, easy. Well, not really easy, but you get the point. So now we're just gonna wait for that. I'll wait for this to bypass, I guess. Basically, they all have the same HWID, so you just bypass one, all the others bypass, or you can buy a premium key, which I recommend as well. Really useful, really easy, all that. Just know that Roblox is locking accounts that are suspicious, I guess. Alright, boom, we have this now. Same as Mumu, you can come here, print hello world, whatever. Was that like a D? You can save the thing, save script, come here, auto execute it, or you could go to MT Manager and do the same thing as the steps as Mumu. But please, always, please auto execute, even with this. So now this is set up. You can open all these. You have to set them up, which is a problem, but this is how you set up this. And you just open this up, the 1.1.1. Next, whatever, accept. No. So what if you have the error like, error happened, whatever, it doesn't let you log into a Roblox account, enable this and redo it. Oh my god. Enable that and then redo it. And then once you're done with logging into all your Roblox accounts, disconnect it until I turn back on. Disconnect it because it's gonna lag and it's gonna make your crash, like basically your Roblox crash. Alright. So now for the new one, which is basically PC Executors. That's not the right server. It's a PC Executors. All right. So PC Executor method is more different because this is like it's similar to Mumu, but it's less using your PC to run it, I guess. And this method like works really well with AWP. Works with Wave, but I recommend AWP because it's easier. AWP is paid executor, by the way, so I have to pay that, all that stuff. And for the most part, you're gonna need like Roblox account manager, but just decline the update, you know. So let's set that up right now. So I have Roblox account manager somewhere. All right, bro. Right here, Roblox account manager. I said open. This is an old account, so I'm gonna remove this. So basically, what you're gonna need to do is come to the settings, and you're gonna have to like copy these settings right here. So general, for develop, and for I don't really know what's here, but basically now we have this open. I had to like. Alright, give me a minute. So now let's rerun this. Let me just pin this to my taskbar. Alright, so what you must do is have AWP open first before anything, and then open the did I name AWP? I'm not naming AWP. So let me just aim I see a lot. So I just opened my AWP. So now we have AWP open. Now hopefully praying it works. You go now all you need to do is come here, log out of any account or whatever. You can have as much accounts running. Alright, so let's I don't know what I named that account. The Hood Cash Sellers. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna make a new one because I like making new ones. January 1st, 1999. Oh yeah, sure, I don't care. Another video. Why 6? We're gonna put like a password of the Hoodcast selling 101. Mail, whatever, no thanks. So now hoping this works. Let's go to you might need to auto execute for this too. I'm not sure. I'll probably test this right now just to make sure. So let me just come here and reset my HWID. I resetted it. Alright, I think I have my file somewhere, which I'm not going to show. Which I'm probably going to show on accident. Whoever this one. That is not the right script. Yeah, you guys can't see this, huh? Can you? Can you? That's what I thought. Anyways, I'm gonna input that, do that. Alright, now we're gonna go to the hood, which I really don't. Oh, let me open my. Alright, you know what? We're just gonna regular execute. I don't really care. This account is not being used either way. So basically, we're gonna have multiple open. Praying this works, hopefully, which I'm really hoping it works. So let's switch account and make another account. Create a new account. Sign up, all that. Am I getting? Oh, whoa! Watch out! Oh my God, there's a lot of people over there. Anyways, let's see if this opens. Let's see if this opens the hood as well. Cause something doesn't work, and there's people outside. Let's see. It should open too with just having this open. Yeah, it opened too. There you go. So now we have these two open. You already know. So now all you could do is either execute, which I'm about to test. Which I'm about to test right now. Sorry for the interruption. Sibling came in. But now, basically, you already know, saw all the setup guides. Recommended scripts to use are right here. Warlocks for farming and the GUI for the hood cache. Basically, really good GUI, DHR utilities. And basically for warlocks, you purchase all control. You purchase the farm. It comes with all control. While for DHR, it's just purchasing settings UI and then the all control. And basically, yeah, that's how you basically set up everything. For now, I'll keep this server there to help people in need, like if they need help or whatever. Everything will be here. I need to update this. But yeah, everything would be here, which is easy. And yeah, I'll be updating this every time, like either Roblox updates, I'll just update the executor, or if something like happens to the script, you can come to Warlocks and yap. I'm also support there, whatever. I help people, like this man right here. Never mind. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please auto execute and go buy Warlock, ATM farm, and DHR utilities. Simple to use, and yeah, if you need any help, DM me. I'm always open right here. Oh, you can't really see my user. Yeah, you can't really see my user, but I'm always there to help. See ya. Watch out, because these are all paid. So good luck. See ya.